Hello, so welcome in this video. My name is Krishna and I'm a Python developer with more than 2+ years of experience. And in that, I work with different Python scripts such as scraping data, performing testing using Selenium, or writing different scripts for Python. So, like if we want to upload some data in Google Sheets or we want to read some data from the Google Sheets, so I have worked on this topics as well. So that's the thing, and along with that, I also worked on backend components like Python frameworks like Django REST APIs. So that's the thing. That's my introduction. The purpose of recording this video is to demonstrate that how we can store CSV data uh, locally that we have into Google Sheets. So that's the main purpose. So let's say this is our Google Sheet, and let's assume our Google Sheet is blank. So now our Google Sheet is blank. Now what we want to do is we have one CSV file here. So this file is containing some data. Now what we want is we want to upload this data into CSV file. So that's the main thing that we want to do here. So like this is our CSV data, and now we are going to store this data into the Google Sheet. So if we just see here, so first of all, here how we are going to do is, here we have two modules. There is one module named as CSV file handler, and the second module is Google Sheet handler. So with the help of them, we are going to do that. So in the first module, like we are first doing, we are first reading the data from the CSV file, from this file, when the data is read, and after that we are going to write the CSV, what are the data in the CSV file, into the Google Sheet. So let me, I will demonstrate you from each and everything. So till here what we are doing is, till here we are reading the data from the CSV file. So when I run this, when I execute this file, run this file and print this CSV data. So let's run this file and run. So we can see here we are getting all the data of that particular CSV file. Like we have Amazon product or CSV, so we are reading the data, and so we can see this is our data. Now we are going to perform the next step. So our next step will be, we are going to store the data into the Google Sheets. So as and now, currently in our Google Sheet there is no data is available. So like if we see here, like it is currently blank. So now we are going to store our CSV data into the Google Sheet. So I will comment the data print statement, and this is basically our Google Sheet handler who is going to handle the operations related to Google Sheet. Like this is our Google Sheet class, Google Sheet handler class, and we are performing client authorization, then opening Google Sheet, then we are writing data into it. So that's the thing. So let's see. When we execute, this is our Google Sheet credentials. Here we are creating Google Sheet object, and by using this object, we are calling the method of the Google Sheet handler, Google Sheets writer. This will do what? It will write the data into the Google Sheet. So let's see. So what I will do is, I will we see each and everything, like what exactly going on that. So let's see. So when we run our file, when we execute our Python file, so let's see. Currently our Google Sheet is empty and data is nothing returned. So what happened? So let's see. Google Sheet writer. Okay, we haven't saved our file, so that's why. So now run. We can see CSV data reader started, and we have read the CSV data successfully. and start writing data into CSV file, and we can see on our terminal all the data successfully written in Google Sheet, and Google Sheet also we can see here data is now reflecting into it. So that's the main thing that I want to show you, that I have already worked on different Google Sheets concept, like whether we are saving data or retrieving data from the Google Sheet. So that's the thing. So I am looking towards to work with you to perform your job, and I hope this video will very helpful for identifying to hire. No, that's about this video, and thank you